Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I made a small addition to my 2022 Tacoma TRD Pro here, and that is I added the raised forge center wheel caps on these TE37 XT M-Spec wheels. So a small change, of course, but still I think it really brings it all together at this point, especially in the back. If you guys recall, the back wheels is normally a bare metal where the hub is. Up front you had the rubber hub grommets, if you will, the rubber covers that actually looked pretty nice, pretty okay. So it wasn't a huge complaint up front, but these, I think, really bring it together nicely. It finishes the look of this wheel and tire package, in my opinion. I was a little skeptical just because, as you see, let me get closer. These center caps are a darkened chrome, like a black chrome finish. So I was a little nervous just because obviously the rest of the wheel is a matte black, or technically blast black for the raised wheels here. So I think it's just enough contrast really between that and the actual wheel, where it actually pops nicely and still goes together well, in my opinion. Are they worth $70 a pop? I would still argue no. Really, I mean, you're just paying for that name on the front of it, of course. There's nothing extra special about it. It's still a plastic center cap, really, at the end of the day. But I do think it finishes the look, and I think it really came together nicely. We might have a peanut feature here. Let's go. Yeah, Peanut? Hey. What you doing?
Marching around to go to Chuck E. Cheese.
We're going to Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys. Yeah, to eat pizza. So it is someone's birthday in our house at the moment. So we're gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese. Oh, we got a buggy feature. Oh, and a puppy feature. All right, guys. Sorry, this is what happens when I start doing videos. Well, if you have kids, you know what's happening right now, and you understand this totally. Hey, Buggy, I like your shirt. All right, guys. Well, that's it. Let me show you the front, and then I'll show you the back, of course. I love how they turned out. And I know it's actually baffling to me how many people, it's like really kind of a 50-50 split. Either you love these wheels or you hate them, which I'm completely baffled by that, because I think they just look perfect on this Tacoma. Of course, I'm biased. I bought them, but I think it's just, hey, Buggy, I think it's just a perfect look. So let me show you the back, and then we'll wrap up this short video for you. I think it really came together nicely. I love it. Again, I guess for the folks who didn't watch my previous videos, those are, like I said, the raised TE37 XT M-Spec wheels. They are 17-inch by 8.5 with a -20 offset. Sorry, maybe perhaps I should have opened the video with that for the newcomers here. Sorry, guys. All right, guys. Well, I'll wrap up the video there. Actually, I'll show you down the side from the back, then we'll call it good. Which I think that is... I love that stance, and I think on the Tacoma in particular, you need to have a little bit wider stance. It just comes together with the body lines so well and the flares. All right, team, I'll wrap up the video there. Appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.